we'll guide you through how to set up an out-of-office reply in Gmail. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail by typing in mail.google.com. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner and click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. This will bring up a quick settings menu, but you need to click on See All Settings to get to the full settings page. Now, make sure you're on the General tab, which should be the first tab you see. Scroll down until you find the Vacation Responder section. Here, you need to turn it on by selecting the Vacation Responder on option. Next, set the first day of your out-of-office period by entering the start date. You can also select an end date if you know when you'll be back. If your return is indefinite or you haven't decided yet, you can leave the end date blank. Now, it's time to craft your message. In the subject field, type a brief subject line like out of office or away from email. In the message box, write a polite note informing senders that you are unavailable and when they can expect you back. Be sure to include any alternative contacts if necessary. You can check the box to only send a response to people in your contacts if you want to keep it more private. Once you've set everything up, scroll down and click on Save Changes to activate your out-of-office reply. And that's it. Your automated response will now be sent to anyone who emails you during the specified period. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.